Is your Disney Plus app not opening, crashing, or just refusing to work on your Chromecast with Google TV? Don't worry, we have got the fixes you need to get the app to run smoothly again. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to spot for smart tech fixes and troubleshooting. Today we are resolving Disney Plus app not working on your Chromecast with Google TV. Method 1. Clear app cache and data. Over time, apps store temporary data that can become corrupted. Clearing cache and data can resolve errors and restore the app to proper working order. Here is how to do so. Go to Settings, then Apps, then see All Apps. Select the app that's misbehaving. Here we are showing the method with this app. The steps are the same for Disney Plus app. Choose Force Stop. Next, clear cache. Make sure not to choose clear data as this will sign you out of your account. After clearing the app cache, select Open and see if the app is opening now. Method 2. Uninstall and reinstall the app. If an app is still acting up after clearing its data, reinstalling it can help replace any corrupt files or incomplete updates. Go to Settings, then Apps, then see All Apps. Select the app and choose Uninstall. Open the Google Play Store, find the app and reinstall it. Method 3. Check the internet connection. Most apps require a stable internet connection. Poor or intermittent Wi-Fi can prevent apps from loading content or function properly. Go to Settings, then select Network and Internet. Make sure Chromecast is connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. Test internet speed on another device and restart your router if needed. Method 4. Check for system updates. System software updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that affect how apps behave. Go to Settings, then System, then About, then System Update. Download and install any available updates. Restart the Chromecast after updating. Method 5. Free up storage space. When your Chromecast runs low on storage, it can cause apps to crash or fail to load. Clearing space improves performance and stability. Go to Settings, then System, then Storage. Uninstall apps or delete unused media to free up space. You can also plug in external storage via a USB-C hub. Method 6. Disable VPN or proxy services. VPNs and proxies can interfere with app access, especially streaming apps that require region-specific licensing. If using a VPN or proxy, go to the app or router settings and disable it. Restart your Chromecast and try the app again. Method 7. Factory reset the device. If all else fails, a factory reset clears all data, settings, and apps, giving you a clean slate. This often resolves persistent or untraceable error. Go to Settings, the System, then About, then Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen prompts. Alternatively, press and hold the physical reset button on the device for approximately 10 seconds until the LED blinks. Method 8. Contact app or Google support. If Disney Plus still doesn't work, there may be an issue with the app itself or your hardware. Official support can help you identify deeper issues or offer replacement options. Visit the app developer support site or Google Chromecast help. And that's how you fix the issue when Disney Plus app stops working on your Chromecast with Google TV. Hopefully, one of these steps got your favorite streaming apps back in action. If this guide helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech tips. Still having trouble or found a different solution? Let us know in the comments. Your tip might help someone else too. Thanks for watching Silicophilic, and we will see you in the next video.